This is the message star. 3 pieces of paper. Fold them into 3 triangles. 1, 2, 3, put on the tails, you see. Okay, yep, take the 2 green ones. Follow each other. Remember how to put them together? Remember how to put them together? Mm-hmm. Open them both up. Yeah. And slide one into the other, remember? Yep. 1, 2. So, make sure the tops are together. Okay, you can use a little dot of glue to hold it together on the inside. So, just a little bit. Yeah. Okay, right, that's good, Susie. Okay. And where do you put the point? Where does that go? It goes right there, doesn't it? So, then you can put glue on, dot of glue on the back of that. Not that much, not that much, just a little bit. Just a little bit in the middle. That's good. Okay. So, line that up right there. Pat, pat. Turn it over. Done. It's a star. Just like this one, and it's actually a secret message star. There's a yellow one. Here's one done with just one color. And if you, okay, you flip it over. Done. You can write a message on the inside. You can do with 1 color or 3 colors. That's a big version.